originally named Londinium when the Romans came here. The Romans established this city. The Romans came here in the year 43 AD, and they established a little, trading port on the north shore of the River Thames, which they called Londinium. And it was through the Londinium port that the Romans brought all their essential supplies into this country. And everything had to come here by ship because we're an island. So, London started as a shipping trading port on the north shore of the River Thames. That part of London is about 3 miles or 3.5 miles from here to the east, something that way. And it's what we refer to as the City of London. It's a really small little space. It's about 1 square mile. That's where London began, the City of London. As you may know, we're not in the City of London at the moment. We're in the City of Westminster. If you look at the street signs, you can see underneath, written in red, City of Westminster. So London is actually 2 cities. There's 1,000 years of history between the two. Just beyond the wall, off to the right here, we've got the grounds that surround Buckingham Palace, which is the largest residential property in London. There's 775 rooms inside Buckingham Palace, including 79 bathrooms. And there's a theatre, there's a doctor's surgery, there's a post office. When our Queen lived there, she installed her own private ATM machine inside her house so she could draw out some cash. If ever she needed it, then she'd like walking around, paper money in her pocket, or plastic money as it is now. But she's one of the old style queens, like to have money on her. This traffic island you see on the right here is the largest in London. It's called Duke of Wellington Place. If you look to the right, see there's an arch in the middle. That's a triumphant arch, which means it celebrates the Battle of Victory. It was the Battle of Waterloo, 1815. That's when the Duke of Wellington defeated Napoleon.